Good morning, afternoon, or night, depending on your time zone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to redeem a PayPal gift card in 2025 using the redemption via phone method. Now, let's get started. The first step you need to do is to dial the PayPal customer service number. Next, you have to listen to the automated prompt and select the option to redeem a gift card. The third step you need to take is to type in the gift card number and PIN if required and when prompted. Fourth step is to verify the gift card balance. So you need to check the gift card balance to ensure it is valid and has sufficient funds. Then the next step is to add the gift card funds to your PayPal balance by confirming the addition of the gift card funds to your PayPal balance. Important things to note: you need to make sure you have a PayPal account before you can redeem the gift card. The gift card must be a PayPal branded gift card or a gift card from a participating retailer. Now, some gift cards may have specific redemption instructions or restrictions, so please check. PayPal may also require verification of your identity or account information to complete the redemption process. That is how to redeem a gift card using the redemption by phone method.